Hi, friends. Welcome to A Safer Neighborhood. I'm Michael from Sector 1 Security. We specialize in high-quality entrance gate surveillance pole installations to protect your community. Our custom surveillance poles stand 10 to 13 feet high, designed for optimal coverage. With a variety of camera styles and configurations, we ensure a 360-degree view of all entrance points. We understand that aesthetics matter. That's why our poles and enclosures can be painted any color to seamlessly match the entrance gate, blending security with style. Our cameras are engineered to provide clear color video at night, allowing you to see vehicle colors for enhanced security. Our license plate readers log every vehicle that enters and exits, providing a detailed record of all traffic. Are you concerned about unwanted visitors? Simply blacklist a plate, and you'll receive an instant alert if that vehicle attempts to enter. We can also provide real-time health monitoring, so you'll have peace of mind knowing your system is always up and running. Get notifications if a camera goes offline, the hard drive stops recording, the internet connection is lost, or the power goes out. At Sector 1 Security, we're not just installing cameras, we're installing peace of mind. Call me today to see what Sector 1 can do for you.